So you just had the best week of your life here in New York City, but unfortunately now it's time to go home. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you just how to get from Manhattan over to JFK Airport on public transportation. And this is true for both ways. If you're coming into Manhattan or if you're leaving, you're going to be using the blue line. This is called the E train in Manhattan. And in every subway, it will show you up above here just which stops are which. And E train should be express. Unless there's construction, then it's going to run on the local track. So depending on that, that's what the different stops will be. When I took it to go to JFK, it was running local, so here's an example of all the stops that it's going to take you on. And you can see here it even says the stop number underneath. You're going to want to get off the stop before Jamaica stop, so it's Suffolk Boulevard JFK stop. That's JFK Airport. So this is where you're going to get off. Just follow the crowds. They're probably all going in the same direction. And this exit is at the end of the platform. And you're going to just go ahead and exit here. It doesn't cost anything to exit, but this does kind of look intimidating for those of you who are not familiar with it. So I just wanted to show you this. And this area here where you get Metro cards and stuff, just walk past it. Do not even try to get a Metro card here. There's so many scammers that hang out in the area. A lot of them even wear the vests and stuff, like the actual people who worked for JFK and the subway station. So don't even try to get a Metro card here. I'll show you where to get it. So this part was new even for me. They put in all these huge signs now. I don't know if they're doing construction or if this is always going to be here. I hope it's always going to be here because it makes it easier for everybody. So just keep following traffic. Everybody's on their way out. You could take the elevators over there. I always just take this escalator. It's really tiny, but does the job. And you're just going to go straight. Over here is where you go into the subway if you're coming from JFK. Otherwise, over here on the right is where the Long Island Railroad is. So that's another option. If you would have taken the Long Island Railroad, this is where it drops you off to JFK. And that train is available at 34th Street Penn Station, but I like to just take the subway. So again, just keep following these huge signs. They're going to take you all the way into this entryway. And again, there's an elevator over here, but I usually just take the escalator, so I'll take you up the escalator really quick. And this is going to be the best place to get your Metro card at the top of this escalator. There's a lot of people to help you up here, and there's also a lot of machines. So since we're going to be entering the Airtrain, we're going to have to pay for that. And the Airtrain is what takes you over to JFK, so it gets a little confusing in this spot. So here on the left is the entrance to the Airtrain. That's how you get to JFK. But it also has all the arriving and departing flights. So if you're meeting people that are coming from JFK, this is a good meeting spot inside here. And we need to reload our Metro card, so I'm going to show you how to do that. You can use the same one you have. You're going to do refill card. Even if it was one of the unlimited ones, you can still add time to the card or add money to the card. So keep that in mind. Don't throw your Metro cards away. Just hang on to them. You never know. So this is how you add money onto the card. I already had like $7 or something on there, and I think it's $8.50 to get onto the Airtrain. So I'm just adding cash here. You could do credit card, debit card, whatever you want, but I had some money, so I'm just doing this to show you guys how to do it. It's going to shoot your Metro card back out. If you can keep a receipt if you want, but you don't need it. And then we're going to go over to the Airtrain area, and you're going to go ahead and swipe your card, put it inside the machine, and here we go off to the Airtrain. Now would be a good time to double check what terminal you're in. So here I'm in Terminal 8. So this is going to give you a good idea which stop to get off of, because there are a bunch of different terminals over in JFK. So just keep that in mind. You need to know what terminal you're coming out of so you get off at the right stop on the Airtrain. If you are coming from JFK going into Manhattan, remember where we bought our ticket to go into the Airtrain? You're going to have to pay for the Airtrain to get off. So that's why you saw there was Metro cards on both sides of the Airtrain, because you do have to pay the fare. This is the fare here. So similarly, how we used our Metro card to go in, you would have to get a Metro card to come out, and that's what will open the gates for you. And just to give you a visualization, this is where we're getting on here at Sutton Boulevard, and we're going to take the Airtrain down, and it's going to take us to these terminals over here. So that will just give you a visualization of what the Airtrain system looks like. Now, as you enter the train, they're all automated, so there's no like conductor or anything. So just let everybody get off the train and then you'll be able to get on. But everybody's coming off with luggage and suitcases and, you know, bags, all sorts of stuff. So it's going to be a big commotion for people to get on and off, and then everybody panics like they need to get on the train. But there's always plenty of room, so don't be one of those people who panics. I like to go to the front, but here's a little place if you want to put your bags, you can sit. And there's also a map on the train, so in case you get confused, this has all the details of anything you need to know. It also has the full directory here, so in case you can't get online to see what terminal you're in, you'll be able to tell because it's probably at the one listed here on this menu. Now, coming from Manhattan, just to give you an idea and an idea on the way back, it's probably going to take you about an hour and a half. It'll probably take you about an hour coming from New York to the stop, and then to get on the Airtrain, it's going to take you about 15 minutes to get around to all the terminals. Generally speaking, security moves really fast at JFK. It's really high volume. They're really trying to push everybody through. So here's an idea of what it looks like inside. And if you want to see how to get from LaGuardia to Manhattan or Manhattan to LaGuardia, here's another video for you. Otherwise, public transportation in New York is pretty easy to understand. Here's another video for you to check out. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them as quick as I can, and I will see you in the next video.